Oh my goodness, guys. It has been a hot minute since we have been here. Look at this gorgeous tree. Whoo, man. And where are we? Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. We are here at Disney's Animal Kingdom for their Christmas celebration. It has been a hot minute since we have been here at Disney's Animal Kingdom. I'm super excited. How long has it been since we've been here? It's been a while. April?
I don't know, it's been a minute.
Either way, it's been a hot minute. We haven't been here in quite a while. And as you can see, the Christmas celebration is going on. So they have quite a few new things in the park for Christmas. I'm excited to see the puppets. The adorable little puppets that they have walking around?
Yeah.
I know, I'm excited for that. Coda might be a little excited. I don't know. But we're only gonna be here for a little bit, check out some of the Christmas stuff, and then we're gonna head on over to Epcot, grab our Remy magnet, then head on over to Hollywood Studios. That's gonna be in a separate video. But yeah, we're just here at Disney having a grand old day, checking out all the Christmas stuff. I'm super excited. Let's head on inside. Whenever everyone comes inside the park, they either go left or right. For us, we take the fun bridge. It's like a little adventure. I like coming through caves. I enjoy caves. I'm a bat. Oh my gosh, look at these. They're stinking adorable. Oh my god, they're so cute. That is awesome.
Oh, there's a big one.
Ah! It's a mama.
Mama and baby. Yay!
I love the expression in the face. There's more! Oh my gosh, there's more!
Oh my god! Oh yeah. Oh, she's coming over.
Can we take a second to look at this dude with the GoPro around his mouth looking like Bane? Oh my god. It's adorable. What a cutie pie.
He knows it. He's a show off.
Wow. Just the random penguins. That is adorable. Thank you. The penguins are just the most adorable thing. Now, last week during my birthday, we went to Disney Springs to eat at STK, and we came across this spirit jersey over here. This is really cool. It's like a gingerbread spirit jersey with icing on it or something. It looks really nice. I like it. And these ears are pretty adorable, not gonna lie. I'm a fan. Now I have to applaud Disney for this. They made little miniature ornament versions of their ears. And I gotta say, these are adorable. I saw on a Facebook group someone bought some of these and put them on their little guinea pigs, and it's absolutely so cute. And this is something new. Disney Plus just launched earlier this week, and you can now get your official Disney Plus shirts here at Disney World. Nice. Well, this is something that we haven't seen before. I haven't seen the Kevin walk around character yet. He's adorable.
Remember I told you about them. Alright,
He makes noises!
She's talking.
He's confused.
Are you a girl? Yeah, she laid eggs.
Oh, the wings! God, it's great. Wait, another hug?
Adorable. I didn't know Kevin made noise. Okay, so you should have seen me walking through the park, and I stopped. I smelled something, and I was just like I smelt it. I knew it. I know that smell anywhere. The pecans. You cannot find pecans just about anywhere in Disney. There are only a select few places that have pecans, and Lord knows I found them just by smelling them. God, I'm super excited. We're getting pecans, guys. I gotta get me some pecans.
You're just a little nuts.
I am a little nuts.
Anyway.
I'm nuts for pecans. Yes, 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 yes. I'm super happy. All day, every day. Bye, Coda.
Attention Expedition Everest members. Once on board, secure all gear in the cargo bag in front of you. For your safety, remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and
So remember how last year around this time we adopted spaghetti? Coda found a friend that's actually, his name is Lasagna, and rightfully so because he is one ugly looking Yeti. If he was more like this
that
one,
cute guy, I would definitely
then Coda would have definitely bought him, but for $64, this guy's looking just a little creepy.
Looks like he belongs at Red Horror Nights.
Probably, yeah. Throw him in Terror of the Yukon.
But he's kind of cute. He's kind of cute. He's kind of.
Jesus. No thanks. I personally wouldn't.
You like him. His name is Zeddy.
His name is Zeddy? Okay.
Yeah.
Just put endless pasta names.
Endless possibilities.
You can't see the look of disappointment on my face. Wow, babe.
Possibilities are endless.
You're lucky I love you. I love how the primeval world just straight up looks abandoned. Like it's an old carnival and it just looks like an abandoned carnival ride. That's funny. Also, they're playing the DuckTales theme song and I'm very much for it. Remember when Donald's Dino Bash was supposed to be a summer overlay? I think Dino Land has just adopted it, and now it's a permanent thing. But on the plus side, we got a lot of nice Christmas decorations, like the snowman and some of the other trees where Donald does his meet and greet. Really cool. Well, that's cool. They got what's Restaurantosaurus? They got Restaurantosaurus all lit up, and Launchpad, and Scrooge sometimes meets with Launchpad. Let's see what we got going on over here. Nope, just Launchpad right now, but I know every once in a while it'll be both Launchpad and Scrooge. But yeah, I like that. It looks cool. This is super adorable. I like the Christmas decorations, and Daisy looking cute as ever. And Chip and Dale are meeting out this way. Oh, the Christmas lights. And they have their little antlers too. You know, Disney is playing a very dangerous game with their international tourists here, because I can't tell you how many times I've seen tourists walk up, see berries in the park or whatever in the wild, and just grab some and start eating them. So yeah, Disney, you're playing a game here. They are so adorable with their dinosaur outfits, and they put little antlers and Christmas lights on them. It's super cute.
And ladies, you're gonna be our first one.
Hello, hi Chip, how's it going? Aw, thank you. You guys look so nice. I like your antlers.
Thank you. We may have had a slight mishap with the lights earlier, but you know,
I can imagine.
We made it work. It looks so good now.
I can imagine. Everything looks so great.
And look at all of our lights of our area. If Donald asks, we have no idea where his garden hoses are.
No idea. Okay.
No idea where
keep it quiet. Keep it quiet. Keep it quiet. Pinky. Okay. Yes. Pinky swear. Okay. I got you.
Definitely didn't get our fabric from Daisy's studio.
Sheesh. Alrighty. Let's get a quick picture. Alright. And look at that. Just in time. We were the last group to see Chip and Dale before they had to go on break. Go dig for some fossils.
Fossilized acorn.
Fossilized acorn, yes. That was cute. Alright, so I was mistaken. Scrooge is right around the corner from Launchpad. He's got his own little area. Look at this, they wrapped a little fossilized dinosaur in lights. It's kind of hard to pick up in the camera, but you can kind of see it. It looks cool. I'm sure it looks great at night. Unfortunately, we're not going to be here at night, but still looks cool nonetheless. It's a freaking polar bear. How adorable is that? I don't think my favorite plant is active today. Alright, red rocket, red rocket, red rocket. No? Aw, no seeds today. There's a sight I haven't seen in a while. Absolutely excellent. There are some Christmas decorations here in Pandora because, of course, some of the humans from Earth still celebrate Christmas, so they gotta find ways to celebrate it somehow, even on a distant planet how many billions of light years away. So we gotta go find them, and they are out by Satuli Canteen and what's the other place called? I forget what the quick service location is. So over here at Pongu Pongu, we have Santa Mech. That's interesting. I like that. Santa Mech, and then we got some other Christmas decorations over here. Let's see if we can zoom in on some of them. The overcast skies are just not doing a good job with the camera today.
Oh, we got a menorah.
Where?
On top, next to Pongu Pongu.
Oh yeah. Wow. Yeah. We got a little menorah. Interesting. Little nutcrackers over here. That's a Navi nutcracker. I like that. Cool. Very subtle. Nothing super crazy as far as Christmas decorations, but I like it. Time to have some lunch here at Satuli Canteen, and you can see them grilling all the chicken over here. It looks so good. It smells absolutely delicious. You know this stuff is good. Highly recommended every single time I come here. I'll say it once and I'll say it again. Can't go wrong with Satuli Canteen, especially for the price. The freshness of the food and how good it tastes, just can't go wrong. But Coda can keep the bobas to herself. Not too much of a fan of those. Alright guys, a little Disney pro tip. So if you come to a restaurant like the Satuli Canteen that's got the self-service soft drink kiosks, you can easily fill one of these up, and if you have a refillable bottle, just fill this up with ice, and then you can come and get one of these and just pour it in there. You're all set. What? Coda's shaking her head at me. What? Is there a problem? Why? What's the problem? How am I butthead? It's called being smart. It's being smart. Saving money. They changed them out. They got birds out here now and polar bears. That's adorable. I love the expression. I love that they can do that. Oh. It's adorable. I love it. And the performers for these puppets are absolutely amazing as well. They do a great job. This is cool. This is a great addition. Great addition to Animal Kingdom Holidays. I swear, it's awesome. They have a baby deer out here too. As per usual, we must exit through the cave. What?
Of Wonders?
The Cave of Wonders, yes. And the rickety bridge. I don't know why this stanchion's here. Bouncy, bouncy, bouncy. This is exactly how the Tarzan bridge broke in Disneyland, I swear. Alright guys, well that is going to do it from us here at Disney's Animal Kingdom. Just a real quick trip to check out some of the Christmas stuff that they had. Rode Everest, and that was a lot of fun. Had lunch at Satuli Canteen, always a great time. And all of the puppeteering stuff that they have out in the front of the park by the Tree of Life, absolutely fantastic. I love it. The kids were absolutely loving it. And the puppeteers that were handling the puppets, fantastic. They were really, really great. Absolutely fun time. Definitely come and check out Animal Kingdom when you're here at Disney for your Christmas vacation. Absolutely fun time. We are heading over to Epcot right now. Not going to do a video for that because it's just going to be a real quick trip. Then we're going to get on the Skyliner for the first time, so that's going to be fun. That'll be a completely separate video. Check out that video very, very soon as it's released. So from me and Harambe over here, we are off. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, afternoon, evening, morning, day, afternoon, and evening. There you go. And day, morning, afternoon, and evening. Anyways, I get confused. I will see you guys in the next video.